Hi guys, today I will show you how I make flower arrangement for Valentine's Day in a coffee cup. I have already pre-soaked my floral foam. Now I will mark the shape of the cup and cut the form into that shape. Insert your flower foam inside the cup, and I like to cut the edges of the flower foam so it doesn't show through the stems or the greenery. I have already pre-cut some little bits of pistacia leaves and leather leaf and let it soak in water for half an hour with flower food. And now I'm ready to start inserting it. When you insert the leather leaf, make sure that the shape you are aiming for is round, and then you can go up and fill the rest of the flower foam. After adding my base greenery to the arrangement, I will start inserting flowers. As a focal point of this arrangement, I chose red roses, as it is Valentine's arrangement. I will make sure that I will cut each stem at 45-degree angle and then submerge the end for a few seconds in the water so it will absorb some moisture or not air before inserting it into flower foam. Feel free at any point add more greenery. And now I'm adding solidago, cleaning most of the leaves away. It will bring a bright pop to the arrangement as the little tiny yellow blooms will open. Make sure you distribute the solidago all over, not only on one side. Keep turning regularly so you can see it better. And for more pop of color, I have chosen bright pink mini carnation blooms. I normally add also closed buds just to have different texture in your arrangement. At any point of creating your arrangement, don't be afraid to add more greenery or fillers or even more blooms, just so you are 100% happy with your final product. I had some bunny tails on hand in the same color like the roses, and I like the texture, so I just added few. And now I'm putting some little heart and pin it with a pin onto the rose gently. I feel like arrangement is ready, so let's have a look at the nice photos. Have a nice day, and I wish you luck to create your own Valentine's flower arrangement for your loved one. Bye-bye.